Hey guys, more Samsung phone get a taste of Android 14 with One UI 6 beta. Korean Samsung user get Galaxy Z Fold 4 One UI 6 beta program. Samsung also started rolling out its One UI 6 beta for Galaxy Z Fold 5 a week ago. The company need more time to iron out the stabilization problem with its Android 14 test for its foldable device. Recently, Samsung launched a beta program for Galaxy F23. It's available for India, and the Galaxy S21 owner in the USA are now eligible for One UI 6 beta. The update is started to include the latest October 2023 security patch, and of course the Galaxy S22 and S23 series already running Android 14 with One UI 6 beta. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.